All right, we start with news about the Telangana bill, which currently sits in the Rajya Sabha. We're hearing from sources that either the Prime Minister or the Home Minister will assure the Rajya Sabha and the BJP in particular, in the form of a statement, that they are likely to agree to some amendments, but while they may be pushed forward, they might not be accepted. The government says it's unlikely to agree on constitutional amendments, but is open to other discussions. So remember, the BJP had pushed forward more amendments in the Rajya Sabha after clearing several in the Lok Sabha. The government had said that it would not accept any of these amendments. We're now hearing that the government will assure the opposition party that it will accept certain amendments, except ones that require constitutional changes. Kamaljeet Sandhu is with us for more on this development. Kamaljeet, help us understand the details of what this assurance implies.
Pierre, if you can repeat your question, please.
Help us understand what exactly this assurance in the Rajya Sabha could imply.
Well, definitely there has been a point of confrontation, at least between the BJP and the Congress. Earlier, remember, in Lok Sabha, the BJP had supported, but after the Lok Sabha blackout, they've been demanding that there should be a live telecast. They've been saying that at least if they demanded 30 of the amendments, there should be 4 of them. Now to bring BJP and to convince them because of the stalemate, it is seen that there is a possible breakthrough now. The amendments of BJP is still unlikely to be included, but there would be assurance which will come in the form of Home Minister's statement before the House to convince the BJP, or for that matter from the Prime Minister himself. So we're expecting that sort of statement coming in. This is also one of those things that are both political parties trying to take some sort of credit. In this particular sense, the Congress party wants to give credit to Sonia Gandhi, while BJP is seen that they are not getting any sort of credit because they have agreed to go along with Congress party on the Telangana bill. And Venkaiah Naidu, being from Nellore, also suggests that there are stakes of BJP's high stakes in the state.
All right, Kamaljeet, hold on for a second. Kapil Sibal is speaking outside Parliament.
Sir, पूछिए। राजीव गांधी वाले मामले में सेंटर सुप्रीम कोर्ट मूव कर रहा है? जी हाँ, राजीव गांधी के मामले में केंद्र सरकार सुप्रीम कोर्ट में रिव्यू पिटीशन मूव कर रही है और हमारी अपेक्षा है कि वो जल्द से जल्द सुनी जाएगी और साथ-साथ में जो तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट का फैसला आया है उसके खिलाफ भी हम मूव करेंगे। The Union of India is actually moving a review petition.